Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will continue the exercise 2.2. We will start from question number 4. In the previous video, we have done the introduction part and question number 1 to 3. Okay, so let's start question number 4, which is figure given below shows a relationship between the sets P and Q. Write its relation in set builder form, roster form. What is its domain and range? The arrow diagram is given. We have to find the set builder form and roster form of relation and domain and range. Okay. So, first of all we will write the set builder form. So, this will contain those ordered pairs such that what is the relation between these two? 5, 3, 6, 4, 7, 5. So, we can say that x minus y is 2. Okay. So, x minus y is 2, but there is some particular condition on the first set, like x is greater than 4 but less than 8, and x and y belongs to natural numbers. This is the set builder form of this relation. Second, we have to find the roster form. So, what will be the roster form? First component and second component. This will be 5, 3, 6, 4 and 7, 5. Okay. Next, we have to find the domain and range. What is domain? Domain is the first element in the relation, in the ordered pair of relations. This will be 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. What is range? Range will be second component of all the ordered pairs of relations. This will be 3, 4, 5. By the arrow diagram, we can easily observe that these are the elements of domain, these are the elements of range. Now, let's discuss about question number 5. Let A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Let R be the relation on A defined by those AB such that A belongs to A and A divides B, means first element divides second element. We have to find the relation in roster form and domain and range. Okay. So, A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and relation is those elements such that first divides second. So, in relation we know that 1 divides 1, 2 divides 2, 1 divides all the elements. So, we will write all those elements. Also 2 divides 2, 2 divides 4, 2 divides 6. Also 3 divides 3, 3 divides 6, 4 divides 4 and 6 divides 6. So there will be total 12 elements and this is the roster form of this relation. Okay, this is set builder form and this is the roster form. Next we have to find the domain. Domain will be the first element, first component of all the ordered pairs. So this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. What will be the range? Range will be the second component. This will be 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. Because in a set we will write only single element. Okay. Now let's discuss about question number 6. Determine the domain and range of the relation R defined by this. We have to find the domain and range where R is given, first element is x and second element is 5 more than first element and x belongs to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the set builder form of relation. We have to find the domain and range. Okay. You can directly find the domain and range by putting these values in first component because the domain contains all the first component of ordered pair of relations. Okay. So, this will be, if you put 0 in x, this will be 0 and next will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is obtained by putting x is equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in x, means in first component. Okay. What about range? Range is the second element. Okay, second component. So, we will put the values x is equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in x plus 5. What will we get? 0 plus 5, 5. 1 plus 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Last 5 plus 5 will be 10. So this is the domain and range of this particular relation. Now question number 7. We have to write the relation R in roster form. Okay. So what is R? Here R is equals to those x, those ordered pair in which first element is x and second element is cube of x. Okay. Where x is prime number less than 10. Okay. So prime numbers less than 10 are 2, 3, 5 and 7. So these are the values of x. Okay. So in relation we have 2 cube will be 8, next will be 3 cube will be 27, next will be 5 cube will be 125, next will be 7 cube will be 343. This is the roster form of this relation. Now question number 8. Let A is equals to xyz, B is equals to 1 to find the number of relations from A to B. We all know that number of elements in A are 3 and number of elements in B are 2. And in the Cartesian product, we have number of elements of A into number of elements in B. So this will be 3 into 2, 6. So number of elements in A cross B will be 6. But we have to find the number of relation from A to B. Okay. And we know that number of relation is a subset of Cartesian product. Okay. So in the Cartesian product we have number of subsets. Okay. We have to find the number of subsets. So number of subsets of n A cross B will be 2 raised to power 6. Okay. 2 raised to power number of elements in the Cartesian product. This will be 64. Now question number 9. Let R be a relation on Z defined by R is equals to those ordered pairs such that both are integers and their difference is also an integer. We have to find the domain and range of R. Okay. R is given those elements, those ordered pairs such that these are integers and their difference is an integer. So this will contain those ordered pairs such that first element is integer and second element is also integer because their difference is integer. So these two elements must be the integers. So A and B both are integers. Okay. So that means first element belongs to integers, second element belongs to integers, implies domain will be set of integers and range will be the set of integers. So students, that's all about this lecture. We have completed exercise 2.2. In the next video, we will do introduction for exercise 2.3. So don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel. Thanks for watching.